Joining us now, Dr. Carol Casey, who is Professor of Medicine at University of Nebraska Medical Center, and Dr. Jacqueline Mayer, who is the Director of the Liver Center, University of California, San Francisco. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here.
The title of your session is From Genes to Function. Tell us a little bit about that.
From my point of view, sort of loosely translated, this is a session that deals with cell and molecular biology of the liver. And it really is a very diverse group of abstracts from several disciplines, deals with several different cell types in the liver. But all of the information that's in this session really is focused on new molecular pathways that will lead to new understanding of liver injury and fibrosis and even liver cancer.
What's the main objectives?
I think the main objectives is to give both clinicians and scientists information about maybe some of the targets that we can use. So say, for example, hepatocellular carcinoma is a serious illness, but there's not really good therapeutics out there at this point. So some of the genes that are directed in liver injury in general, as Dr. Maher said, from fatty liver to fibrosis, and there's a couple of abstracts on the early stages of injury and fatty liver and how that can cause problems in the liver, and they're trying to develop ways to address some of those issues so it doesn't get further to fibrosis.
Who is this session aimed at?
Really aimed at basic scientists and academic clinicians to identify some of these new models, and as Jackie said, some of the new proteins and new players that may be involved, and so that people are thinking a little bit outside the box, maybe for some of these that weren't always involved with liver function, that maybe play a role in fibrosis and liver cancer.
And although the session is aimed at cell biology, it really is focused on a number of different cell types in the liver. So people who are interested in hepatocytes, sinusoidal endothelial cells, and stellate cells will all find something of interest in this session.
So tell me if there are headlines or takeaways from this session.
From my point of view, one of the most exciting things to take away from this session is that there is a potential for translation of these findings to clinical medicine. And so there's a theme running through the session that the new molecules and new pathways that are being identified here have a role in either reducing liver injury, helping diagnose cancer, or helping define pathways to liver fibrosis.
I agree.
Well, that was easy. All right, thank you so much for joining us. It sounds exciting.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.